Hey, you know, Shari, I think I hear music in the assembly room. Let's go see.
I think you're right. Hearst Castle Living History presents
The Castle Steps. Today we're going to do a very elegant and versatile dance called the Foxtrot. Elegant and versatile in that you can do it on a small dance floor or a very large dance floor. And also it can be danced to many different styles of music. In the 1930s it was popular. It's popular today. Now, William Randolph Hearst, the man that created this place we call Hearst Castle, was a good dancer. And a prominent actress and dancer, Irene Castle, once said,
The only person I ever enjoyed teaching dancing to was William Randolph Hearst, the newspaper tycoon. He had a keen mind, and I would show him a step once and he would remember it. He also had a spring in his knees, which is vital to a good dancer.
This room at Hearst Castle is like the living room, and it's called the assembly room. The first time actress and dancer Colleen Moore came here, she said,
After dinner, there was an orchestra. The room had been cleared from the carpets, the big front room. So that's where the dancing was. I do not know where the furniture had disappeared to. We were dancing and having a great time. We're going to show you how to do the Foxtrot basic. And I'm going to turn around and you can see what my steps are as I demonstrate the follower's footwork. And then we're going to demonstrate the leader's footwork from the other side. Now this box eventually rotates, but first we need to do it where we're facing just one direction to make it less confusing. We start with the right foot. We're going to move to the side on one, and on two, we just bring the foot together, replace the weight on the two, which is the follower's left foot. Now the right foot is free to move back. On three. On four, we're only going to come by our foot to visit, but not put weight on it. So that is the 4 count. No weight on that left foot for the followers. Then we move side, putting all our weight on that left foot, bringing our right foot in, replacing the weight on the right. That frees up the left foot to move forward. Now the last step is another touch again, where we're using the right foot just to touch to say hello, and we start all over. This is 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are not putting weight on the 4 and the 8 count. Now let's do the leaders part. All right, leaders start with their left, moving 1, and on 2, replace all your weight onto your right foot, which frees your left to move forward, and touch with your right, not putting any weight on it. Then side, replace all your weight onto your left, right foot's free to move back, and touch. No weight on your left, and you start all over. Quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. Now we do this box in what we call closed position, and we're slightly slotted, so we're not toe to toe. I'm slightly to the gentleman's right. So we have 4 lanes of traffic for our feet. We're going to do this in closed position. So we're moving quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So we said that the Foxtrot is a very versatile dance, and that's because it can be danced with lots of styles of music, and also slow tempo, medium, and fast tempo as well. In the 1930s, jazz music or swing music was most popular, and that's what people would use to dance the Foxtrot.
Thank you for joining us today.
And we look forward to seeing you in further installments of
The Castle Steps.